Slip's been taken out. Mid-wicket. Oh, there it was, and that must have threatened the leg stump. Very lucky to still be there. Good take by Mohan Khan. 265 for 6.
Tense one on the middle as we look at Wasim Akram just carving Oram in half there. Mohan did well. Bouncing over middle stump. Pakistan, they'll need one more wicket on feels. Beautiful swing. Perhaps a little bit of cramp. Seam up. Beautiful delivery that. You can see that when this ball gets old, this is where Pakistanis are just almost unplayable. Oh, nearly played on. That one was coming back. There's no signs as to which way it's going to go. It just happens in the air.
This is pretty thrilling stuff, actually. Look at the seam on this too. Just bolt upright. Just very skillful bowling. You don't see any better than this towards... He began his Test career on this ground. Really is testing the New Zealanders. And certainly I think the New Zealand batsmen can afford to just try and play this over out. They have plenty of overs left to get these runs. It seems as if he's grabbed his side there a little bit in the second delivery. Oh, this one angles back in as well. Thickish inside middle from Harris, gets it away. Oram's had a bit of trouble in the last few deliveries, both from Akram and also Shoaib. Now towards the ball. See if he can get in line here.
Well run, Chris Harris. Oram somehow digs out a Yorker of the highest quality. And Harris see it out. An important delivery this. And he does just. 46 overs gone.
Let's have a look at this last over. Look, just away from Harris, draws him forward, the walking shot, then almost threatens the stumps. A straighter one there. Gets the inside edge, nearly gets through Jacob Oram and draws the out. Harris, lovely bowling. Very good last over and last spell for Wasim Akram at Carisbrook.